In this problem, we're asked to find the values or the solutions in the interval 0 to 2 pi for 2 cosine squared x plus cosine x is equal to 0. The first thing that we'll recognize is that we can factor out a cosine of x, and we would be left with 2 cosine of x plus 1 equaling to 0. Therefore, either cosine of x is equal to 0 or 2 cosine of x plus 1 is equal to 0. Since we're only interested in the case between 0 and 2 pi, we would figure out where the cosine of x takes on the value of 0. Cosine of x takes on the value of 0 at odd multiples of pi over 2, or pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Those would be the two in the interval between 0 and 2 pi. We can also look at 2 cosine of x plus 1 is equal to 0. Solving for the cosine of x, we get the cosine of x is equal to a negative 1/2. Therefore, we're looking for a quadrant 2 and quadrant 3 angle, where the reference angle produces cosine of theta equaling 1/2. Those are our reference angles of 60 degrees. Therefore, in quadrant 2, x is equal to 2 pi over 3. In quadrant 3, we're looking at x is equal to 4 pi over 3, giving us our solutions in 0 to 2 pi. In our next problem, we are asked to find all solutions of the sine squared x plus sine x minus 6 is equal to 0. We can recognize that this is factorable as the sine of x plus 3 times the sine of x minus 2 is equal to 0. This would tell us that the sine of x plus 3 is 0, or the sine of x minus 2 is equal to 0. Likewise, if we solve each one, sine of x equaling to negative 3 has no solution because the sine of x takes on the values from negative 1 to positive 1. Likewise, sine of x minus 2 is equal to 0 would tell us sine of x is equal to 2, which again has no solution. In this problem,